there guys, I received a box today from Influenster and I'm going to open it up and we're going to check it out, see what we got. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, it looks like we have an OXO on coffee maker. It's a 9-cup. Let's see. Of course, it's double box. And it's not white. Plenty of tape. Oh good, another box. Alright. So as you can see, it's the OXO on Barista Brain, and it's a 9-cup coffee maker. It says the art of perfect coffee, so as a mom of 2 toddlers, we'll see. Alright. Says this machine was tested to guarantee quality. It looks nice. Came with some disposable filters. So I'll probably have to buy a reusable one that I can just wash. Alright, a little coffee scoop. If I don't break it. Looks like maybe some kind of mechanism. That's embarrassing. Alright, let's see if it dented it. Well, it's stainless steel, so it held up through that, which is good. And I automatically love that it has a covered lid, so nothing can get in there. Alright, so there is our OXO on, and I will be back to share more. Thanks. Hey guys, I wanted to let y'all know that I received this OXO on Barista Brain coffee maker free from Influenster in exchange for my honest opinion. Thanks.